Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you today something really neat. I'm going to show you how to use this type of builder set. So there's a ton of different sets like this. You can get ones for Christmas morning where you have the tree in the background, and then you have the family, and then the dog, and you can get ones like this. Sometimes they're sitting on a dock. Sometimes you can get the ones with that are sitting under a tree, and it'll be like the mom and the daughter. There's a ton of them. There's a massive amount. And then once you get your base sets, there are builder sets. There's upgrade sets that they're called expansion packs, that you can purchase. It'll have more hairstyles or, more drink styles or hats or just different things that you can add in, elements that you can add into your designs. So these are a lot of fun. It's fun to kind of personalize gifts or whatever have you. It's a neat little thing that you can do, and they're super easy to work with. So I'm going to show you today how. Before we go any further, if this video is of interest to you or helpful, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. When you're subscribed to the channel, you'll get a notification when the new videos come out, probably like once or twice a week. Just lots of fun ways to not just craft better, but also to learn how to design for yourself. I have a bunch of neat design tutorials coming up that you're not going to want to miss. So subscribe to the channel. You'll get a notification when the new videos come out. So let's get to work here. This is so incredibly easy. We can get rid of this. Actually, one more thing real quick. I am going to link in the video description. So when you're looking at the video, underneath it says, it'll say like click for more or something like that. And that'll expand the description. In there, I'm going to link this design set. I'm also going to link the next one. We're going to work with two. We're going to work with this and one other. The other one is actually free right now. You're not going to want to miss that. So if you catch this video like soon after I put it out, make sure you grab the one that's free. It's a really neat, it's a huge builder set. It's really nice. You're not going to want to miss that. So I'll link that in the video description. I'll link this set in the video description. Super cute. And I'm also going to link our Facebook group. I will link, we actually have a huge collaborative of about maybe 2 million members. I'm going to link Cricut for Beginners. It's about 575,000 right now. Super friendly. It's a great group. You'll fit right in. So make sure you join us there. I'll link that in the video description. So we can get rid of this now. So what we're going to do, we are going to deconstruct this set, and then we will construct another set so that you can see exactly how to work with the layers. That's the biggest part of this, is knowing how to move layers from front to back. So when you get one of these, it comes with, at least the good sets come with a lot of parts. So I'll show you real quick. Let's first off, let's unflatten this, and I'll show you how the pieces come apart first. So here's a hat. Here's a hat. Here's hair. Hair. Oops. Body. Hair. Hair. Drink. Drink. Clothes. And this is all separate. So all you're doing is you're just putting those pieces together. So let me go ahead and show you real quick on this set. So I think this set comes with 4 skin colors and a few different, it's got skirts, it's got different drinks, it's got stuff like that. So let's just take a quick look at that, and then so browse my downloads. So this is some of the drinks. These are skirts, different hats, and then it's got different hairstyles. It's actually got 2 sets of hairstyles. And then, so it's got a bunch of different hairstyles. And that's another nice thing, is that you can get ones that are different, different body types. So not just different skin colors, but also, whether it be petite or, plus size, or there's really a good representation of just different types of people and different types of body shapes and skin colors and hairstyles and hair colors. And there's really a ton out there. It's gotten really big over the last probably like year and a half. So you'll definitely be able to find what you're looking for. Um, and what I'll do actually is I will link in the video description, I will link the free set that we're going to use in a second. I'll link this set. And I'll also put a link to like all of the ones that are on, all of the really good ones that are on design bundles. So you can go through and maybe find some that you like better than these if you don't like these, or if you just want more. And then I'll have expansion packs in there also. So let's go ahead and get back. I want to show you this other set. Oops, that's not what we want to do. The canvas. So let me just show you this other set. We can get rid of all of this, and then let me show you. We'll put a set together. Now this is the free set. This is the one that's free right now. Absolutely beautiful. So this set comes with all kinds of stuff. This has, let's ungroup this. This has, I want to say 3 or 4 skin tones, 3 different dress styles in 3 different colors, so 9 dresses total. I think it has 12 different suit colors. I think it has 12 female hairstyles and 12 male hairstyles in all different colors. So just a really, really great set. So, and this is free right now, so you're not going to want to miss this. So let's go ahead and we will start putting this together, and you'll see how the layers come together and how these are built. Super duper easy. Okay, so here's our man, here's our woman. And so this is already to the correct, see how it's going behind her body? And if that wasn't the case, you'll see in a second when it's not the case. But let me just show you here real quick. Just line this up real quick, get that perfect. Okay, so now if what had happened was like that, where her body was in front of it towards us, then you would just select the layer that you want to move, right click, and then change where it's at. So you can see that I can right click and do it. You can also do it up here where it says range. Okay. So that's just, you're just moving your layers so that the parts that you want in front, so like that, you're not going to want him standing on her dress. So you are going to take her dress and move her dress to, actually, let me just, and sometimes you just have to play around with it a little bit so that you get it the way you want it. So yeah, so I'm going to want her dress this way, but then his hand, so we're gonna step him up just a little bit so that he is right about there. And then this is his hand. So I'm going to move his hand, right click, send to front. His arm, not his hand. So there's his arm. Okay, and then this is his hand. Right click, send to front. Oops, that wasn't correct. I need to be able to grab the hand and not grab anything else. There we go. And then send that to front. And see how that'll sit right there on her hip? This is such a great set. Super, super happy that I got this free because it is amazing. Oh, and you know what? We did not upload. That's okay. So we did not upload her bouquet. So that's okay. So that'll give you a chance to see some of the other stuff that's in this set. There's a lot of stuff in here. So that's him. Oops. him just right. And then this is her hair. How pretty is that? And that's her hair. And then this is his hair. But you didn't have to, like, I didn't have to choose. Like I said, there's like 12 hairstyles for both of them. So you can really get it down to what the couple that you are trying to personify looks like. So, and you know, what the dresses looked like, or dress and suit. So let's go ahead and let's grab. We're going to have to look a little bit because this was something that I uploaded a few days ago. Um, so you can see here, and also let's also, I'll just show you one of the these are backgrounds, so you can put these to the back of the picture and then it's kind of behind it. This one right here is actually really pretty. It's white, so you can't see it here, but it's super pretty. Let me grab a bouquet real quick. You see all those pretty hairstyles? So let's just look. Yeah, so four skin tones for both male and female, tons of suits, tons of dresses. Is this one of the bouquets? Okay, yeah, so that's a bouquet right there. Can't remember if there's more than one bouquet or not. There might just be one. Yeah, there's just one. Okay, so upload the bouquet. The only bad thing here is that normally when you upload it all together, it all uploads the correct, you know, all the same size. So it all fits together. And unfortunately, we've already resized this, so I'm going to have to kind of guess on this a little bit. But ordinarily, it would fit perfectly if I had just uploaded it all together. Oh, pretty is that? So then what you can do, now you can take this and to make it a single layer, oops, let me grab his hair too. And then to make it a single layer, you select all and then flatten. And now that's one image, right? So you could take these and you could put these on thank you cards for the wedding, or you could put it on a pillow for the new couple and like put their name in a pretty font across the bottom, or whatever. There's just a million things that you can do with these builder sets. I like to put the best friend ones and the mom ones and on cups and tumblers. I like to sublimate them on there, but there's just a massive amount of stuff you can do with it. It's just a really fun part of the craft. So, like I said, if this video is helpful, like the video, but also subscribe to the channel. Join us on Facebook. I'll link everything in the video description. Make sure you grab this while it's free. This set is amazing. It's so pretty. I don't know if you got a close look at the hairstyles that are in there. These hairstyles are, let me just make this bigger so you can see real quick the quality of that hair. The quality of the whole thing overall, though. I mean, look how beautiful that design is. So make sure you grab that while it's free. And I'll link all that in the video description. And I mean, that's really all there is to it. They're super easy. So I hope you have a good day. Bye.